What's up guys, it's me Chris and I'm going to be uploading a video now on PCBits 19. This is going to be my first video. I'm going to be opening some packs. First one is an icon. Let's go. Okay, who's this going to be? So I have a video already uploaded on my account, Chris's Faithful SP. You can go check that out. This is my first one on this game, so yes. Yes, I just got 91 Cruyff. They're not bad at all. And I have not been having much luck playing this game, although I have some pretty good cards. If you see here, yes, they are pretty decent. Yes, it's PCBits icon. Let's go. Wonder who it could be. I have the 95 rated Zidane. Oh, okay, it's English. Let's see, sentiment. 89 rated Beckham. Okay, I have him. Let's go. Team of the season. Let's go. Nice. Can I get someone good? Portugal. Juventus. I got Ronaldo. Yes. Yes. I got Ronaldo in the team of this. In the PCBits 19 opening. Let's go. I got Ronaldo. Yes. I have. This is my third duplicate of him. Let's go. So happy. Yes, I got 99 Ronaldo. I got it on recording. Another team of the season, but not a World Cup. Not bad. Oh, it's a team of the season World Cup. Let's go. Let's go. On the Jeff. That's just a funny joke. Okay. Brazil, PSG. Center back. I thought it was Neymar. That's 98. 95 though. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. And it's an inform World Cup. Come on. Please be good. Please. Italy. Okay, it's not going to be good, but still. Inform World Cup. 90 rated. Not bad. No. Okay. Not bad at all. Team of the season. Come on. Please be good now. Please. Italy. Spal. Okay, I don't know who this is. I think I have him. Yes, I have him. But Zari. Okay. Fine. Okay, I think this will be enough for today's video. I will see you all next time for my next pack opening. By the way, PCBits 20 has released. I'm just opening it on PCBits 19 because I hacked it and I have unlimited packs. And that will be it for today. Thank you for watching. I will see you all next time. Bye.